Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to our familiar dorm setting. So like I said, I am back at school now and yeah, this is where our videos are going to be filmed for the next few months, I think. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. I can do a video focused on like my move-in and school and stuff like that a little bit down the road. But I just want to go ahead and jump into today's video, which is going to be an influencer unboxing and review. So as you can see, I got another influencer box, and I'm very, very excited about this one because this is kind of a multi-pack box, and it is themed for back to school. So it has several different products in it from several different brands. I think I know what they are, like if I remember correctly. But yeah, so I'm very excited to unbox this, and then I will leave timestamps down below in the description if there's like of the things that I unbox. If there is a specific product that you want to check out a review on, I will leave timestamps in the description bar below so that you don't have to watch the entire review if you don't want to. But I am going to review everything a little separate. But first, we are just going to go ahead and unbox. I have my scissors at the ready this time. So, I never remember how to open these boxes. So the first thing that is on top, so this is called the Beauty 101 box. Get ready, explore, and indulge. Go to the app, try your products, unlock badges, take the survey. So in this box, there is a Peach Slices Hydrate Sheet Mask and a Peach Slices Shrink Pore Sheet Mask. We have the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara, the original, in the orange packaging. We have Crest Gum Sensitivity All Day Protection Toothpaste. Always looking to try out a good toothpaste. We have the Eva NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. That is perfect because my hair is a little bit oily right now. And then we have the Clinique Acne. I can't talk, guys. We have the Clinique Acne Solutions Clinical Clearing Gel. So the masks each retail for $2.49. The mascara retails for $6.99. The dry shampoo full size is $12. The toothpaste is $6.99, and the clinical clearing gel is $18 for 15 milliliters. And there's actually a little coupon code on here for Clinique to receive 20% off my purchase. So that's really, really awesome. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara. I've heard a lot about this before, but I've never tried it. As you guys know, I typically only use the CoverGirl Clump Crusher when it comes to CoverGirl mascaras, but I'm very excited to try this out. One thing I'm noticing is that the packaging is a little damaged up here, but I'm not too worried about it. It just looks like maybe it got caught on something and it peeled back some of the plastic. And so this is in very black. It's supposed to give me volume times 10. It does not look like it's waterproof though, so that's a bit of a bummer. I don't know if the Lash Blast volume has a waterproof formula, but this is 13.1 milliliters. So I will be trying that out tomorrow. Yeah, so here is the product right here. It is just a typical CoverGirl mascara, and I'm excited to try that out. So the next thing is the Eva NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. First of all, I love the packaging. I think that is super duper cute. So it says it's for all hair types. Let's just go ahead and try this out now. So the sprayer is like right here. Ooh, oh, okay. All right. It's just... Ooh, it's definitely absorbing the oil. I can feel that. Ooh. A little bit more on the back of my head. That's where I get the oiliest. And then we'll just brush it through a little bit because most dry shampoos tend to get a white cast in my hair. Ooh, that definitely absorbs some oil. And it looks like it added a little bit of volume to my hair, which my hair always needs. That's really cool. I'm going to go ahead and try it out. It does feel a little like dusty on my hand. Like it feels like it's leaving a little bit of a residue in my hair. The smell isn't like unpleasant, but it's not exactly pleasant either. Yeah, I don't know. I'll keep playing around with this for the next day or two and see how I like it. So on the card it says that please know you will only receive one mask. So I got the Shrink Pores sheet mask. It's kind of a bummer. I really wish I had had the hydrating sheet mask because my skin has been really dry lately for some reason. But yeah, so this is the Peach Slices Shrink Pores Sheet Mask, and it has willow bark and soybean extract. Time-tested Korean ingredient, instant radiance. No artificial fragrance, no alcohol, no parabens, no mineral oil, no dyes or coloring, no formaldehyde, no sulfates, and no animal testing. Cleanse face and apply toner. It does say apply toner first, which is interesting. Place the mask, leave on for 20 minutes, remove and discard, and then pat in the remaining essence. Tighten those stubborn and large pores for a smoother and more refined texture. Willow bark, oregano, wild mint, hinoki cypress, rose, soybean ferment, citrus, and common purslane, and cinnamon encourage tired pores to shape up and shrink down. So I'm always in the market for a good face mask, so I think I'm going to go ahead and use this tonight before I go to the gym, and I'm very excited. I love a good sheet mask. So this is the little mini, oh my god, what's wrong with me? Just dropping everything. My sanity, my products. There's hair in my lip gloss. Okay. So this is the Crest Gum Sensitivity Pro Health Soft Mint toothpaste. So they did just send me a little sample size. I do tend to like Crest toothpaste. I think I have Colgate right now, but I'm not positive. So it just looks like this. Very cute packaging, actually. I like that it's like this as opposed to like, I don't know, that makes no sense. But like, I don't know, I like that the packaging, like the labels and stuff are vertical as opposed to horizontal. Oh, there's a gentle mint. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out, and I'll try this tonight and tomorrow before I give you guys my feedback on it. And then the last thing that I have over here, oh, it's so cute. Little Clinique Acne Solutions Clearing Gel. I'm not gonna lie, I did expect a little bit of a bigger sample. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. It's so cute. Look at it. It just fits in my palm. So I've never used a specific clearing gel used for treatment of acne. Are there any directions on it? Pump dispenser 2 or 3 times and massage, except for the fact that, you know, it doesn't really have a dispenser, I guess. It's so tiny. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that's something I'll have to play around with tonight, because as you can kind of see, I have a little bit of breakouts on my chin right now, so we'll test this tonight and tomorrow morning, and we will see if this works. So that is the unboxing portion, and tomorrow I will go ahead and get around to reviewing these products after using them a little bit. And yeah, so I will get back to you when I have my opinions on these products. I am back about a day later with my follow-up opinions on the products that I got in my Influenster box. I would have filmed this yesterday, but if you don't follow me on social media, then this is new information for you. I actually, back home, one of my fur babies died. So yesterday I kind of like just took a day to myself. I tested some products. Yeah, I was able to really test the mascara yesterday. So yeah, if you didn't know, that happened, so that kind of sucked. But I'm back and I'm ready to film. I actually have another really exciting video that I'm about to film, but I wanted to give you guys my opinions on these products first. So I have my little evaluation sheet over here. So I'm just going to go through the list of products that were right here, and I'm just going to talk about them, give my little mini review on them, and yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. So I don't have it on my list of notes here, but the first thing I'm going to talk about is the, it's the Crest Gum and Sensitivity All Day Protection Toothpaste. So that was the little mini-sized toothpaste that I got. I actually have only been able to use it twice, because yesterday, just like in the headache and in all the craziness that was going on yesterday morning, I completely forgot to use that toothpaste specifically to test it out, but I do have some thoughts and opinions on it. So the first thing that I want to note, it does have a little bit of a minty smell, but it is more of like a gentle minty smell. I'm not overly crazy about the taste of it, but it's not like, it's not gonna stop me from using it. And my teeth do, I don't know if it's just like in camera or in pictures, or if maybe it's just like against the lipstick I'm wearing. I don't know. But my teeth do actually seem a little bit whiter, which is awesome. And I feel like my teeth haven't been as sensitive to cold things the past 2 days since I've started using it. So I know it's really, really early to be able to give like true opinions, and I am going to keep playing around with it because if it does make my teeth less sensitive, then I'm going to go and buy that again. So, but so far I'm actually really liking it. So I would probably give it like A minus to an A right now. So that is my opinions on the toothpaste. And now to get into the other stuff. So the first thing I have on my list is the Peach Slices, I think it's the Shrink Pores Sheet Mask is the one that I had. So I gave that one a rating of a B. And the two things that I noted were that the smell wasn't pleasant. It was very chemically, like I was expecting it to smell like peaches. Like if you're gonna have a brand called Peach Slice, I want the products to be peach scented. So it was not a pleasant smell. It was not peach in the slightest. It was just very chemically, not crazy about it. However, after leaving it on for 20 minutes and then like rubbing the excess product into my skin afterwards, I did notice that my pores looked a lot smaller. They looked smaller, they looked less obvious, and my skin just felt very good after wearing it. So the B is because I really wasn't crazy about the smell. I didn't enjoy having it on my face for 20 minutes, but it did do what it said it was going to do. So that's why I give it a B. Overall, not a bad product. The next thing I have is the Clinique Acne Solutions Clinical Cleaning Gel. Oh my god, I do that every time. And I gave this an A. So as you kind of could see, I had a little bit of a breakout on my chin over here. I still have it a little bit. And I had one over here. So I just went ahead and I put that on both sides of my chin. And I give it an A, first of all, because it didn't have a smell. So I'd rather it not have a smell than have it have an unpleasant smell. So it did have no smell, and I noticed when I woke up the next morning, because I used it, today Friday, I used it Wednesday night into Thursday, my breakout did seem smaller and less obvious. Now I am getting a little bit of another breakout here, like right above it, so I'm gonna have to use it again. But it did seem smaller and less obvious. The redness and irritation was gone, and my face just smelled smoother and felt smoother and cleaner. So that is why I gave that an A. So the next product was the CoverGirl Lash Blast. I'm not gonna lie, this one was my least favorite out of all of them, and I kind of actually saw that coming, believe it or not. I gave that one a C+. So I had quite a few notes on this one. So yesterday I did my makeup, and then about 10 minutes after I did my makeup was when I got the text message about my cat. So needless to say, I was crying. I was crying obnoxiously. So the first thing to note is that mascara was not waterproof in the slightest. So I don't know if they have a waterproof formula. They might just have not sent me that one, but the one I had was not waterproof. So it definitely transferred when I was crying. So that kind of was a bummer. It does have a very thick brush, but thin bristles, which I personally don't mind. The color is not super dark. Like, it's black, but it's not very black. And then the last thing that I had was that it did volumize my lashes, but it didn't lengthen them. So I gave it a C+ because it is your pretty average mascara, and it's a good drugstore mascara if you tend to do something like this where it's a little bit more natural, and so you don't need like Vavoom lashes or anything. But I've really been getting into Vavoom lashes, so I just felt like it was a little underwhelming for what I have been doing and have gotten used to and what I look for in a mascara now, but it is an average, pretty good drugstore mascara. So, and then last but not least was the dry shampoo, which was the Eva NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. It does have a little bit of a smell to it, but it wasn't an unpleasant smell. As with most dry shampoos, it did have a little bit of a white color or a white cast to it, especially on my hair, which is dark, so I would have to kind of like brush through it with my hands or brush through it with a brush and kind of spread the product out so it didn't just focus like in white patches throughout my hair. It did definitely volumize my hair, which I am always looking for in a dry shampoo. And the oil absorption, it didn't absorb all of the oil. There was still like a little bit in the back here where I get oily most often. But it did absorb probably like a medium, like a 50 to 75% of the oil in my hair. So I'd say medium oil absorption, if that makes sense. So that one, I didn't necessarily give a letter rating, but if I had to look at the notes that I had, I'd probably give that one maybe like a solid B. And I might very well be purchasing that again because I did actually really like it and I liked how volumizing it made my hair and it did absorb enough of the oil that I would be totally comfortable using that and then going with my hair down at least most of that day. Those are my thoughts on the products from my Influenster box. I, again, thank you so much, Influenster. I did receive all of these products complimentary. If I didn't say that before, all of these were complimentary from Influenster and of course, the brands that partnered with Influenster. So thank you guys so much for sending that to me. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoy. If you like Influencer videos, please comment down below so that I know. Leave a like on this video. Subscribe if you haven't already for dorm style, for, college videos, makeup videos, all that kinds of good stuff. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everybody.